All right, happy Friday. It's almost Monday. In fact, by the time you watch this, it probably will be Monday, April 6th. So here's your weekly rundown. Today, in addition to this video, I am going to post the first day of notes for 6.3. That's multivariate systems. In short, that's 3 equations and 3 variables, so x, y, and z. So day 1 of notes today, worksheet 1 to go along with that. That will be due on Thursday. That will be collected and graded. Tuesday, I will host a live help session. That will be at 10 a.m. on Google Meet. So please note that time change. It will be 10 a.m. And our code for that is going to be PCM Kosanke. PCM Kosanke, all one word, all lowercase. That'll get you into the Google Meet. And then if you have questions or need answers or anything like that, we can go through notes, review worksheets, all that stuff. On Wednesday, I will post a video for day 2 of the notes for 6.3. And again, that worksheet, day 2 worksheet, will be posted. Again, on Thursday, I will host a help session at 10 a.m. for questions and answers. Same access code, so PCM Kosanke to get you into Google Meet for that. And I'll stay there as long as people have questions and are online and need help. In addition to that, you're going to have that worksheet's also due on Thursday. I'm going to give you review worksheet 23. That is not going to be due until Tuesday of the following week. In case you forgot, you do not have school this Friday. That's because of Good Friday. So we're off on April 10th. So your review worksheet 23 will not be due until the following Tuesday. So for this week, you have 2 things that will be due, worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 from section 6.3. All right, have a great weekend, and we'll touch base on Monday. Thanks.